Hello guys! Perst-4 Generation 3.0 Combined Device Review. I'll speak about what was changed in new generation, I will make an unboxing of the device, I will demonstrate modes including secret turbo mode, and finally I will speak about compatible tactical switches. My name is Anastasia. Perst-4 is a device 2-in-1, visible laser and infrared laser. There are two modifications depending on the color of visible laser, red and green plus. On my rifle now I have Perst-4 red and I will make an unboxing of Perst-4 green plus. They have the same kit, the same modes, difference is the color of visible laser. So, Perst-4 Generation 3.0, what was changed? We changed the electronics inside the device, we changed the tactical switch in the kit. There are also some minor changes on the body of the device. That's because we always constantly upgrade our devices and some minor changes are implemented all the time. So the selector switch was changed a little bit, the plate that holds the device on the Picatinny mount was changed, now it is made of stainless steel, but that are minor changes. The big change is about electronics and is about tactical switches, because we made a new line, the D line of tactical switches, which is compatible with all of our devices. It is universal. That's why we had to change the electronics inside the body. So this line of tactical switches, it is universal and it can be installed not only on Picatinny but on basis rail directly as well. Basis rail is on our handguards from Sport Kit, from Joker Kit and handguards from U line. Looks like this. It lightens the weapon and it allows installation of additional accessories directly on this rail without Picatinny. It increases ergonomics, it lowers weight. And when you install the tactical switch directly on such a rail, you make the size of your weapon smaller, you make the weight of your weapon smaller. And if you do not have bases, all the switches from D-line have a special adapter to install it on Picatinny rail as well. That was about bases. About universality. All switches from D-line are compatible with all devices of new generation that are Perst-4, 4P, 4M and 3 beginning with generation 3.0, Perst-2 beginning with generation 2.0, finally flashlights, Clash 1, Clash 2, Clash 2 PS plus laser beginning with generation 2.0. D-line of switches is not compatible with devices from previous generations, and previous generations of switches are not compatible with new devices. So what's good about this line? Previously we had a tactical switch that combined Perst-4 and Clash 2. So Perst-4 is dual laser, Clash 2 is dual flashlight, and it controlled two devices. It was very comfortable. Now we have a tactical switch that combines not only Perst-4 with Clash 2 but with all of our devices. So it can be combined with, for example, Clash 1 or other devices. The thing is that this device must be from new generation. This new switch is KV-D3/2P and I will demonstrate how it works. What is inside the kit? Manual in two languages, Russian and English, so read it before operation. And the device is packed into this cool aluminum cylinder. Let's look what's inside. Inside the cylinder, KV-D2 tactical switch, adapter for installation on Picatinny rail, two mounts for installation on basis rail, oval mount and plate mount. I will show you how to use them. And manual in Russian and in English. Then the device Let's look at the controls that are located on the body. There are two buttons of turning on the top and on the back. Also two buttons of brightness control, plus and minus. Also mode selector switch. It has three positions. This position is turned off position, also one visible and one infrared position. This is Russian letter Z that stands for zelený. Zelený means green, so it is green laser mode. Also, if you have Perst-4 with red laser, here you'll have Russian letter K that looks the same as English letter K, that stands for красный, that means red. Here it is written IK, that means infrared, it is for infrared laser. Here we have laser adjustment units. To adjust the laser, you unscrew these two caps, you take a screwdriver, or you can use also a side of the cap, and then you adjust the laser horizontally and vertically. First, you adjust visible laser. You do not need to adjust the infrared laser because it is adjusted with visible laser automatically. In the front part there is also a battery compartment here. It is very comfortable because you do not need to use any hex keys or screwdrivers, you just open it with your hands. Very handy. Inside there is one element, CR123. On the bottom there is a mount for Picatinny rail and this element of stainless steel that I was talking about. And the body itself is made of aluminium D16T. It is a milled product. On the back of the product there is a LED indicator that shows what mode is on. It is red when visible mode is on and it is blue when the infrared mode is on. And here you connect the tactical switch. Let's do that. If you do not have intentions to use tactical switches, protect this connector by moisture protection plug. KVD2 tactical switch from the kit. Combine small red dots to connect the switch with the device. Then select the mode on mode selector. Here is visible, here is infrared. I will choose visible mode. And for infrared mode you will need a night vision device, but modes work exactly the same way. Then I press the button once, it is on. Once again, off. Twice, blinking mode. Then press and hold tactical mode, so it works while I hold. I stop holding, it stops working. Then brightness control, I turn it on, I rotate rotary switch on the tactical switch, brightness goes down. I can control brightness also on the body of the device. The buttons on the body are not blocked when the tactical switch is connected. So plus, 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 brightness goes up. And I can turn it off also by switches on the body. Then I return the selector to turned off position because I finished operation with the device. You've asked me a lot of questions about so-called turbo mode. Turbo mode explanation. What is it? In turbo mode, extra power is given to the laser crystal and it starts working at the maximum of its possibilities. So it increases brightness and it starts working brighter than in maximum mode. But the resource of the laser crystal in this mode, it is worked out more quickly than in usual mode. That's why we do not recommend to use this mode on a regular basis, because it lowers the resource of the device. But still, if you need it in extra situation, you have this mode. What is it? How to turn it on? I select red laser, I turn the device on, and then I press the button on the tactical switch and hold it for more than 5 seconds. See, it becomes brighter than usual. And then I stop holding it and it turns off. So it is for some short tasks. It works like a tactical mode, so it works while you hold the button, and it works with tactical switch connected. So I've explained how it works. It is not for all situations, but you know that this mode exists. Next, before I explain the installation of tactical switch, I will speak a little bit more about this double switch KVD3/2P. It looks like the switch that I've shown you, KVD2, but also has this safety lock and selector for selection of device. If it is in central position, both devices work. If it is moved to the side, the device on this side works. I will show on an example of Perst-4 and Clash-2 flashlight, because it is the most rational way to use this tactical switch, because Perst-4 is dual laser and Clash-2 is dual flashlight. I also combine small red dots, and it does not matter to which wire which device is connected. And now one more thing to do is to turn on the mode selector to green mode. Done. I press the button, both devices work. I press, for example, the button twice, both devices work in blinking mode. And if I turn the selector to the side, one device on this side will work. That is a rational way. You've seen that before, because we had a tactical switch in the past that combined those two devices. But as I've said, it is universal, so you can combine it with any device of your generation. To show this possibility, I will show some unusual combination. For example, Perst-4 plus Perst-4, just green plus red. Not for everyday use, just to show the possibilities. I connect another Perst-4 instead of Clash-2. Done. Both of them are working now in visible modes, and I press the button. Green plus red, and if I move the selector, for example, to red device, only the red device is on, the green one is not on. And when I turn the selector to the side of green device, green is on and the red is not on. That's how it works. And now let's see how tactical switches can be connected to the basis rail and to Picatinny rail. I return it to its original condition. Now KVD2 tactical switch is installed on basis rail, and the wires are managed by wire holders, one FP3 wire holder and two FP2 wire holders. They have place for a wire right here. I will show it closer now. See these little hooks on the side of FP2? They hold the wire. Also, a wire can go under FP2. Not in this case, this is lowered Picatinny rail, but for example on this Picatinny rail, it will work. There is also a modification of wire holder FP1 that does not have hooks on side, just one wire goes under FP1. There are three ways of installation of KVD2 on basis rail. First way is demonstrated here. It is installed in the place where handguard is connected with upper handguard. They are connected by M5 to 7 screws, And for installation of a tactical switch, you will need M5 to 9 screw. So you screw out M5 to 7 screw, take M5 to 9 screw from this plate mount and install the tactical switch. How to use plate mount? You position the plate on the other side of the handguard and you screw in the screw through the tactical switch through the handguard inside the plate. Very easy, but for that you need to take off the handguard. So I won't do it now, but I've explained that. Finally, oval mount. We updated it. Now it is made of stainless steel. One more upgrade. So the oval part of stainless steel. I will show how to use it right now. For that I take off the switch from the handguard. I put round part inside the switch and screw in the oval on the other side. Not on full length, just bait it a little bit. Then put the oval inside oval opening on the handguard and position the switch inside the basis rail. Then screw in the screw. The oval rotates on 90 degrees and holds the switch inside the basis rail. Very secure and easy way. You do not need to take off the handguard for that. Finally, installation on Picatinny rail is carried out by an adapter. You need to put the adapter on the switch. There is a round part right here and you put it in the opening. I'll need to unscrew the screw a little bit. Done. And from this side also. The adapter is installed on the tactical switch and now I can install it on any place on Picatinny rail where I need it. Perst-4 combined device has proven itself well, and the new generation is even better because it can work together with all of our devices of new generation. So you can order Perst-4 combined device in partner stores. See the list of official partners on en.zenitco.ru in partners section. Press like button if you like the video. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your attention. Write questions in comment section if you have questions left, and see you in next videos. Goodbye.